Welcome to a special Canada Day edition of Mid Island Custom Diecast. My name is Evan. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. So Andrew from Maple Leaf Customs, one of my favorite Canadians and diecast customizers, as well as many of your guys' friends online here, put out the call for a Canada Day Custom Diecast Invitational, and I had to join in, obviously. So this is going to be a short one, as I have found life to be quite busy lately, but let's have a look at what we started with. The 55 Nomad and little tab trailer from Maisto. Got it all taken apart here with the white wall tires on the back and the roll cage and all the little bits and pieces. And here is what I came up with. So obviously, with it being a Canadian themed build, I had to go with the red and white design here with the chrome trim pieces. Not much to it really. I left it pretty much with the stock wheels that it came with and just gave it a paint job. Anyway, hope you guys like it. Glad to have found some time to get back at the bench. I want to thank Andrew and the rest of fellow Canadian customizers and everyone else who joined in. Check out Andrew's channel and anyone else who did a build. And I guess that's it. Happy Canada Day, and we'll see you on the next one.